Welcome to this peaceful moment of meditation and reflection. Find a comfortable position, either sitting with your spine naturally straight or lying down comfortably. If you're sitting, rest your hands gently on your lap or knees. Gently close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Let each breath release any tension in your body, allowing your shoulders to soften and your jaw to relax. Now allow your breathing to find its natural rhythm. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen. Let your mind become quiet like still water, as we explore today's teaching in the path to inner peace. In the Buddhist teachings, death is not viewed as an end, but rather as a natural transition in the continuous flow of existence. Just as the seasons change and flowers bloom and wither, our physical form follows the same natural law of impermanence. Understanding and accepting death helps us live more fully and meaningfully in the present moment, transforming our fear into wisdom and peace. This fundamental teaching lies at the heart of Buddhist wisdom, offering us a path to genuine acceptance and serenity. The Buddha often emphasized the importance of contemplating death not to create fear or anxiety, but to awaken us to the preciousness of life. Consider the story of Kisagotami, a young mother who lost her only child. Overwhelmed with grief, she carried her dead child from house to house, begging for medicine to bring him back to life. The Buddha, seeing her suffering, asked her to bring him a mustard seed from a house where no one had ever died. As she went from house to house, she gradually realized that death touches every family, every home. Through this journey, she discovered the universal nature of death and found peace in this profound understanding. Another powerful teaching comes from the story of King Pasenadi, who once visited the Buddha while deeply troubled about death. The Buddha asked him to reflect on his most cherished possessions, his kingdom, his family, and his own body. Through their discussion, the king realized that despite his great power, he could not prevent the inevitable changes of aging and death. This understanding led him to focus on cultivating wisdom and compassion rather than clinging to temporary pleasures. In our daily lives, we can practice death awareness in gentle, meaningful ways. Begin each morning by appreciating the gift of waking up to a new day. Feel gratitude for your breath, your body, and the opportunity to experience life. Notice the small changes around you, the shifting shadows, the falling leaves, the passing clouds. These natural cycles remind us of life's impermanent nature without overwhelming us with heavy thoughts. Consider the practice of letting go in small ways throughout your day. When you clean your home, reflect on how belongings come and go throughout our lives. When you complete a meal, acknowledge its ending with gratitude. When you say goodbye to a friend, do so mindfully, knowing each meeting is precious. These simple practices help us develop emotional resilience and acceptance of change. The Buddha taught about the importance of living without regret. Imagine a beautiful sunset. You know it won't last forever, but this knowledge makes you appreciate its beauty even more. Similarly, understanding death's inevitability can deepen our appreciation for life and motivate us to live more authentically. This awareness guides us to forgive more readily, express love more freely, and pursue what truly matters. As we age, we often notice more changes in our bodies and minds. Rather than resisting these changes, Buddhist wisdom encourages us to use them as opportunities for deeper understanding. When we notice a new gray hair or feel our joints becoming stiffer, we can acknowledge these as natural processes rather than fighting against them. This acceptance helps us age gracefully, maintaining dignity and peace through life's transitions. There's a beautiful practice in Buddhism called the 5 daily reflections. Each day, we contemplate, I am subject to aging, I am subject to illness, I am subject to death, I will be separated from all that is dear to me, and I am the owner of my actions. Rather than being depressing, these reflections help us live more fully and make wise choices about how we spend our precious time. Building emotional resilience through death awareness involves understanding that all relationships will eventually end through death or separation. This understanding doesn't make us cold or distant. Instead, it helps us cherish our connections more deeply. When we truly accept this truth, we become more patient with our loved ones, more forgiving of small annoyances, and more present in our interactions. The practice of death awareness can transform how we approach our daily activities. When we clean our home, we can do it as if it's our last time doing so. When we prepare a meal, we can cook with full presence and gratitude. When we speak with others, we can choose our words carefully, knowing each conversation is precious. These mindful practices help us develop a deeper appreciation for life's ordinary moments. In traditional Buddhist monasteries, monks often practice cemetery meditation, observing the natural process of decay. While this may seem extreme for most of us, we can adapt this practice by simply observing the natural cycles of life around us. Watch how leaves fall and decompose, how flowers bloom and fade, how seasons change. These observations help us understand the natural flow of existence without fear or aversion. The Buddha taught that our fear of death often stems from our attachment to material possessions, status, and even our own identity. By gradually letting go of these attachments, we can find a deeper sense of peace and freedom. This doesn't mean we stop caring about life or our relationships. Instead, we learn to love and live more fully, without the desperate clinging that causes suffering. Another valuable practice is to reflect on the lives of those who have faced death with dignity and wisdom. Throughout history, many Buddhist masters demonstrated remarkable peace and clarity in their final moments. They showed us that with proper preparation and understanding, death need not be a fearful experience but can be approached with serenity and acceptance. Consider how each breath we take is both a beginning and an ending. With each inhale, new life-giving oxygen enters our body, and with each exhale, we let go. This continuous cycle mirrors the greater cycle of life and death. By becoming aware of this simple truth in our daily meditation practice, we begin to understand that change and impermanence are not our enemies but natural aspects of existence. As we deepen our understanding of death, we naturally begin to prioritize what truly matters in life. We stop postponing joy, love, and meaningful connections. We learn to forgive more easily, understanding that life is too precious to carry the burden of resentment. We become more present with our loved ones, savoring each moment of connection and expressing our appreciation more freely. Remember that developing acceptance of death is a gradual process. Start with small practices and gentle reflections. Notice the changing seasons, the phases of the moon, the cycles of nature. Let these natural phenomena teach you about impermanence and change. As your understanding deepens, you'll find yourself living more fully, loving more deeply, and approaching life's challenges with greater wisdom and peace.